Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, variable pays. What do you mean by variable pays? First thing, whenever we are joining a company, just think you joined a company as a fresher and now you have experience of 2 years in that particular company in that same domain. It means when you joined as a fresher. Example is when you joined as a fresher, your salary was 2.2 LPA and now you have 2 years of experience in that particular field, in that particular domain and in the same company. Still your salary is 2.2. Is it okay for you? No. Why? Because each and everyone want career growth in their life. If we are starting our career as a fresher in a company, then we should grow our career in that same company or in another organization or in another company. So this is the thing. Today we are going to learn about this variable pays method. Variable pays is the first thing which you can use to negotiate your salary. Negotiate means you can reach your salary expectation through this variable pay method. Variable pay method means if your salary expectation is 8 LPA and the company gets stuck in the salary of 6 LPA. Now from 6 LPA to 8 LPA, the salary there will be difference of 2 lakhs. There is a difference of 2 lakhs. It means expected CTC is more than the CTC you are getting here or they are offering you. It means now I'll explain in the board. Expected CTC. Your expected CTC is 8 LPA. Company providing 6 LPA. Company providing 6 LPA. It means first thing, this is the expected CTC you have, that is 8 LPA. Company is providing 6 LPA. The position company is hiring, that is Java developer. Example, Java developer. Company is hiring for Java developer and you are a suitable candidate for that position. It means you have 2 years. This is you. You have 2 years of EXP. It means 2 years of experience you have in Java developing. Okay. So now what you will do, the thing is your expected CTC is 8 LPA. That company is providing 6 LPA. Now between that 6 and 8, it means your expected CTC and the CTC company is providing, there is the difference of 2 LPA. 2 LPA is the gap here. It means 8 LPA is your expected salary, 6 LPA the salary which company is providing. Now there is 2 LPA difference. You can get this 2 LPA through variable pays. Variable pays. Now I will explain what is variable pays, how to ask for variable pays. Variable pays, what are the things in variable pays you will get. Okay. First thing, variable pays. Variable pays is the easiest way or is the fastest way. Through this way you can reach your expected salary. Variable pay. Variable pay mainly includes incentives and bonus. Now tell me, variable pay is the thing which includes incentive and bonus. These two things. Now let's talk about incentive. What is incentive? Incentive means based on your performance you will get more or extra. It means the example. Just think, this is the example. Example is when you are seeing a company website or when you are searching for a job, there you are saying like the salary 20,000 fixed. They will write 20,000 fixed and 15,000 incentives. It means 20,000 is the salary. These 20,000 is the salary which you will get. Like this is your permanent salary. Otherwise, it means this is the salary which you will get at any cost. 20,000 is fixed. 15,000 is incentive. It means if you are performing well in that office, in your particular project domain, if you are performing well, you are contributing to the company growth, then you will get incentive. Incentive is the thing which you will get by performance based. Incentive particularly based upon your performance only. Now, what is bonus? Bonus means this thing you will get. It means bonus is the thing which you will get occasionally or in some festival time, like in Holi, Diwali. It means mainly in variable pays include incentive and bonus. But in these way, but now you only have to focus on bonus. It means incentive, incentive is the thing. Incentive, incentive performance. Incentive you will get performance based. Bonus. Bonus means yearly. Yearly bonus or occasionally bonus. Like example. Bonus example is Diwali, Holi. It means now you understand incentive is the thing performance based. Bonus is the thing which you will get by occasion or in a yearly basis. Mainly you have to focus on bonus. It means incentive is the thing based on your performance. If you're performing well, you can expect or you can get your incentive. Okay, it means your incentive is 15,000. Maybe based on your performance, you will get 5,000, 6,000. But bonus is the thing which you will get yearly. And that is the main thing. You have to focus on bonus. Now I'll explain what will happen if we are uh, asking them for variable pays. If you are asking for variable pays in the office, just think that company for which company you are applying, that company gets stuck in the salary of 6 LP, your salary expectation is 8 LPA. You can ask ma'am or sir, can you provide me or can you keep in a variable pays? Variable pays means what will be the benefits if you are asking for variable pays. Variable pays, if you are asking the benefits you will get, that is if you are working in that company. You are working in that company, your expected is 8. Expected is 8, 6 is your company providing. It means expected 8 LPA. Company providing 6 LPA. Variable 2 LPA. Variable 2 LPA means, now see, this is your expected. This is variable. This is variable. 2 LPA is variable. 6 LPA company providing. In total, your salary is 8 LPA. If we are calculating in this way, it is 8 LP. It means your expected salary is your current salary. And the another benefit you will get, that is when you are switching to another company or when first thing when you are getting offer letter or when that company will provide you offer letter, in that offer letter companies will mention that you are in a variable pays, like 6 LPA is your current CTC, 2 LPA is your variable pays, or you are in a variable pay, and this will be the most benefit for you. It means when you will switch to another organization will add like this, like your current CTC, you are variable. It means now your salary is 8 LPA. Now you can expect more than this 8 LPA. So if you want to negotiate your salary, first thing, if you are unable to convince through your skills, through your knowledges, you can ask for these variable pays. Okay. So and the main basic thing you have to remember, that is variable pays is the thing through which you can reach your expected CTC or expected salary. And another thing is variable pay is the thing which we are providing only for experienced candidate. Variable pays is only for experienced candidate. For fresher candidate, the thing is main thing they are fresher. That's why company will provide them opportunity. It means they have to grab that opportunity, and whatever salary package company is providing, they have to accept that offer. But in experienced candidate case, they are already experienced, so that's why they can expect more than their current CTC or they can expect 30% more than their current CTC. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.